Cop followed strange noises into a swamp. Nobody believed what he found. It was supposed to be an ordinary shift for Deputy Joshua Parker of the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office in Florida. But as he drove through a quiet neighborhood, something unusual caught his attention. A worried man was waving frantically, pointing toward a stretch of swampy woods nearby. His daughter had wandered off, and she wasn't just any child. She was a young girl with autism, vulnerable and unable to call for help. Without hesitation, Parker jumped into action. He followed the trail that cut into the thick, swampy brush. The Florida heat pressed down on him, the buzzing of insects and the rustling of tall grass surrounding him as he pushed deeper into the wetlands. Every minute that passed felt heavier. Time was slipping away. The deputy's body camera captured the tense search. He called out gently, his voice steady but urgent. Nothing but silence answered back. Then he noticed faint impressions in the mud, leading further into the marsh. Step by step, he pushed forward, the water rising around his boots. The terrain grew more difficult, the swamp swallowing the path. Doubt flickered for a moment, but he pressed on. Something told him he was close, and then he saw her. Sitting quietly on a patch of dry ground, the little girl looked up at him with wide eyes. She was tired, frightened, but alive. Parker carefully lifted her into his arms, carrying her out of the swamp to safety. The search had ended not in tragedy, but in relief. One family's worst nightmare had turned into an unforgettable moment of hope because one officer refused to give up.